Terahertz Waves by Shannon, Kyle, and Michael. In order to understand terahertz waves, you first have to understand the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic waves are formed when an electric field couples with a magnetic field and does not require a medium, which means electromagnetic waves can travel through empty space. The electromagnetic wave spectrum has wavelengths from 30 centimeters down to 0.3 nanometers. And there are 7 types of waves on the spectrum. The first waves are the microwaves. Then next you'll have the THZ gap, which are the terahertz waves. Then next you'll have infrared rays. Then you'll have the visible light rays. Then you have ultraviolet light rays. Then you'll have X-ray waves. The terahertz waves are found in the 300 meters. Yeah.
Whoa. Some characteristics of terahertz waves are, unlike X-rays, terahertz do not have ionizing radiation, and they're safe to use. The frequency range that terahertz waves have are 300 gigahertz to 3 terahertz. Their wavelength range is 1 millimeter to 100 micrometers. This technology has not been implemented, but it's currently being developed by our country. Some applications for this it can be used in metal detectors because it's a safe wave. It can also be used for many defense purposes, such as detecting explosives. It can be used for detecting metal on people, for security mail screening, and it can be used for wireless networks, which is also going to be very important because it'll allow a higher bandwidth. Some ways that this wave is created: it can be created naturally, as it is emitted as part of the black body radiation from anything greater than 10 Kelvin. Artificially, it can be created from far infrared lasers. It is a laser. Far infrared laser is a laser with an output wavelength in the far infrared part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Applications are used in terahertz spectroscopy, terahertz imaging, as well as in fusion plasma physics diagnostics. These terahertz waves can be very helpful, but they're not completely developed yet. So once we start seeing them be developed, we'll have a lot of new technological advancements.
Oh no, they're teraherting me with knowledge.